Hello, welcome back to the channel. I've got another Spark 143 to talk about, and it's the 2009 Pescarolo Sport Judd V10. Team owner Henry Pescarolo is a four-time overall winner at Le Mans, and many say is the soul of the race and the sport. Being a native Frenchman, he's competed in countless Le Mans races. If he's not racing, he's at the track in some capacity. Pescarolo Sport was created in 2000 and finished fourth overall in their debut. However, 2005 would be the team's greatest victory, a David and Goliath battle with Audi. Overheating issues cost them the win and the team finished second. In 2009, Pescarolo Sport entered three cars for Le Mans, a privateer Peugeot 908 and two Judd V10-powered open cockpit cars. It was an all-out Audi Peugeot war with the number 16 Judd powered car coming in 8th overall. And here is that number 16 Pescarolo Judd car. It's in a blue box with the track map on the back, and let's unbox it. Here is the Judd V10 car, and it looks so amazing. When I was looking for Pescarolo cars for my collection, this one really stood out. I love the white, the blue, the silver, and all the little details on top of the car. It's a really amazing color scheme, and it just looks incredible. At first glance, I notice all of the matte. The black is all matte, everything's matte on the car until you turn up and you see the silver flake. The subtle flake going down the rear of the car is such an amazing detail. And when you pair it with all the PlayStation symbols on the back wheels, it just looks amazing. Look how cool this car looks from the top. Look how cool this car looks from the side. This was the dawn of the end of the open cockpit cars. Later on down the road, Le Mans would start having closed cockpit cars being in favor, and open cockpit cars would be no more. And once you look at them, they look so cool. As I said earlier, every time I've been watching the races, Henry Pescarolo has always been there. So I felt like a Pescarolo car needed to be in the collection, and I think this is one of the best ones he's ever raced. Livery-wise and shape-wise, it just looks super cool from any angle. The subtle green with the white and the blue, just all the colors complement each other so well. And this is another car that has PlayStation as a title sponsor. PlayStation had a stronghold of sponsorship over Le Mans. With their Gran Turismo games, it was prominent that a lot of cars from the race would go into the games and just get fans excited about being able to race those cars, and got people excited about endurance racing. The drivers on this car were Wal Barbosa, Christophe Tinsu, and Bruce Wani. And so here it is, the 2009 Pescarolo Judd V10 that finished 8th overall, and it's finally in the collection. If you like this video, give me a like and a follow. I've got a lot more cars to unbox, and I'm uploading a new video every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.